Welcome your student. Today we shall continue our chapter coordinate geometry. So let's start our class. In earlier class we learned some basic information of coordinate geometry. What is coordinate geometry? How we plot the values on Cartesian, which one is origin, what is quadrant and what is the value. Now see, from earlier class we have to make a table of quadrant. If you see the figure, this is our origin, and we have to divide that quadrant in four parts. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. And from earlier information we know that in first quadrant both values of x are positive. It means what? X is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. It means what? In first quadrant value of x is positive as well as value of y will be positive. Now from second quadrant value of x is negative and value of y will be positive. It means what? Value of x is negative and value of y will be positive. On which quadrant? Second quadrant. Clear? Now third quadrant, the value of x is negative as well as value of y will be negative. Both will be negative on a third quadrant. And our fourth quadrant, the value of x is positive and value of y will be negative. These are the very important one. Simply just given the value and just we have to check this value lie on a which quadrant. Take some example. Suppose I will take an example. This is question first. In which quadrant? Question is said, in which quadrant do the given point lie? Do the given point lie? Clear? First is 4, -2. Second is -3, 7. Third is -1, 2. And fourth one is 3, 6. See how we solved? This one is very easy one. Now see the first one. First quadrant coordinate is given 4, 2. It means what? X value is positive, y value is negative. In which quadrant x value is positive, y value is negative? In fourth quadrant. Directly write 4, -2. Lie on a which quadrant? Right here. Lie on a fourth quadrant. Just you write the statement. That's it. Now see second one. In second one, x value is negative, y value is positive. Which quadrant x value is negative, y value is positive? In second quadrant, just you write here -3, 7. Directly you write on lie on second quadrant. Clear? In similar way, you have to calculate question number 3rd and question number 4. I hope this one is clear to you. Question is said, draw the lines x dash ox and y o y dash as axis on the plane of a paper and plot the points See, some points are given, we have to plot it. First one is coordinate of A is written in 5, 3. Now second question is coordinate of B is -3, 2. And coordinate of third is, this is C, -5, -4. And coordinate of fourth is, coordinate of D is 2, -6. These are there. See how we plot. Just we have to make this on a draw the coordinates. This is origin, this is a 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? Same as -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Same as in above. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same as in below. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. Clear? First you have to mark the number in this way. Now see, first one is coordinate of A is 5, 3. Both are positive. We know that if both values are positive, lie on a first quadrant. This is our first quadrant, and plot this is x, x dash, y, y dash. Clear? 5, 3. X coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 3. Here just we have to plot that way. 5, 3. That's it. Now second one is B is -3. -3 is here. -3 is here, and y is 2. 2 is positive. Plot it here. This is our B. -3, 2. Clear? The second one is x is negative, y is negative. We know that both values negative lie on a third quadrant. X is -5, -5 is here, and y is -4, -4 is here. Plot it in this way. This is coordinate of C is -5, 4. -5, 4. Now next one is D is positive, 2 is here, and y is negative here. Just have to plot it in this way. This is coordinate of D is 2, -6. Clear? This is very easy one. Just we have to mark the value and you have to plot that dotted line. This is the way we have to plot values on that coordinate axis. I hope this one is clear to you.